Constraints are one of the most important things you need to be aware of when creating sketches. So we're going to get this file called Sketch Constraints off of Canvas or the OCN and either upload it or open it directly. Once you've got it open, you just need to double click here on Sketch 1 to open up the sketch. Now what we're talking about is we're going to apply horizontal, vertical, all of these basic constraints to these features, these entities, these lines and circles. And we've got some common ones up the top here, but if we drop down, then we've got a few more. Okay, so the first one is apply horizontal. Now, this button does both. What it does is looks at the line that you're trying to apply the constraint to and works out which is the best. So if I go to this one, it'll actually go horizontal. If I go to this one, it will go vertical. If it does the opposite, just undo it and then just move one of these lines slightly. So it's sort of, if you want it horizontal, make sure it's sort of laying down a bit more than it is vertical. The next one is collinear, which puts two lines in line. So this one already has a horizontal constraint applied, so we click the horizontal line and then this angled line, and they are now both in line, collinear. The fourth one is concentric, which puts two circles on top of each other. So pick them, and then depending on which way round, so I pick the little one first, then the big one moved to the little one. If I undo that and do it the big one and then the little one, try again, the big circle and then the little circle. Okay, so the second one moves on top of the first one. The next one is tangent, so circle and a line and it just touches to a tangent. And the last one we're going to look at is perpendicular. So again, this line is horizontal and it just makes this line perpendicular to the horizontal.